Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon. I am here with my buddy Leonobi Galvez, who we know each other from photo shoots and backstage at Fashion Week. And we're here today on set. It's a really cool shoot because we were told that everything's white with just a touch of coral, the Pantone color of the year. This is 2019. So Leonobi, you were trying to decide how to do something nice and neutral, but with that touch. So tell us what you did here.
So I went with tiramisu for two from OPI, and I will give her a little hint of hot and spicy.
And you didn't have a lot of time to do nail art, so show us how you just added this little touch of color.
So first I applied two coats, one coat of base coat, two coats of tiramisu for two, and now we will do some lines with hot and spicy.
And what's the secret here? I mean, you can just get away with just doing a touch here and there, right? I mean, it doesn't have to be an in-your-face big nail art thing all the time.
I just went with two nails and just a little bit on the corner. I'm taking my line brush, just applying a straight line on an angle, and just adding a pop of color so that when she is shooting, you see a little coral. It'll bounce off the white, but you'll also see very clean nude nails.
Now, I noticed that you have this tool. Is this designed specifically for nail art, or is this something that you're improvising?
Yes, this is a nail art brush from OPI. It's the Artist Series. It's a whole kit. It's right over here. And we have a dotter. We have a cleanup brush. Dotter has two sides. It's a very nice little kit to have.
Okay.
A little bit of everything.
So I know we've done this before, but a lot of people want to be you in the nail world. They want to be able to do Fashion Week and photo shoots. What tips would you have for anybody who wants to get into this end of the business?
Networking. I would say just network a lot. If there are any events that are public that you can just go to and pop up, just go there and meet people, have your business cards on you, have Instagram, tag. Just get out there. Just network.
And what are the biggest challenges for you, other than being at Fashion Week and you have to lie on the floor and have 5 minutes to do huge nail art? I mean, what are some of the biggest challenges being a freelance nail artist?
My biggest challenge is owning a salon and trying to fit in everything in one day, because I have 3 events today alone. So
no, I know. When they said we only have Leonobi for 2 hours, I'm like, all right, we're going to make this work. And we dragged our poor model Clara into duty. She's getting everything all at once. All right, well, anything else that you think the nail world should know?
I feel like everything is already out there. I feel like everyone is very informed on nails now. Everyone is following up with trends and just keeping up with fashion.
And you have to do it quickly. You know, I know that's one thing from Fashion Week, that you just...
It has to be like 1, 2, 3. You're under the table, on the floor, working with the makeup artist and the hairstylist and just getting the job done.
Yeah, and it's a lot of fun, though. You meet a lot of nice, fun people.
I love Fashion Week. It's just the high-speed energy.
And you love Modern Salon fashion shoots.
Of course. I'm always here.
We love it when you come by. All right, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.